ki khubor ka Batisi TV lawan ra shapi da ka Orange Nissan Lumso po near Fire Brigade Shylla.
Admissions are open at BDW International School. Enroll now.
UMLA jong ke UDP uba Kyrmen Shylla uba longru menteri hapo ke Sarkar Meghalaya Democratic Alliance ulaong ba umdon Jingmut Eiei ruem ban Phet na ke United Democratic Party. Hakajing ekran bat ke Batisi TV uba Shylla ulaong lada ka poi ka por ban hap bujli no wat ya ke syuki menteri ru unam mi satya na ke parti bat hakabaya day bat kane ulaong ru ba usanya abej ha ka rai bastat jong presiden uba med ba lingdo.
Of our president, so where he will give it publicly what is the demand. As of now, he have not say anything regarding it. It never come to my ear, but if it's there, then I believe that our president will discuss with us, all of us together, and then whatever decision he take, that is the best decision, and we will accept that also. It's our duty to follow it. Being his, we are his followers, so we are here to work as a team. There's nothing against our president. We elect him as a president, so that we should follow him also. So whatever decision from his side, it's not that we are just bound to do it, but we honor to follow him. Anybody that question should not even arise. It's our duty, and then it's in our honor also to follow our president, because we believe that under the leadership of Pak Medbah, as a president of UDP, that he will guide and lead and do the best for all of us, especially for us UDPs. So that is what I believe. So there's nothing against his decision. If he feel when, what to do, we are very much happy to do what his guidance and what is guiding us. We believe that one day we will have a good result on 23. So we are trying our best, and then let's see what the public. As of now, public used to say that we UDP, they used to count us as a kingmaker. I believe that they'll give us even the responsibility by giving us more seat on 23, and then we will do the best we can and then try to lead the state. So that I believe only if the public feel that the UDP can do that, they should give us with numbers, not only just by saying that, oh, you are a kingmakers, you do this, you do that. Give us numbers and we will prove it on 23. I am blessed to have this seat. I am here today because of my party, so I will never do something which will hurt our president. As I've just said, that we honor whatever his decision. So going to other party, till now I've not even think about it. So why would I just leave my party? So because I have decided that being in this party, and actually when you become an MLA, it's not about the party, it's about how you serve the people. Whether you are in BJP, Congress, UDP, but what is your purpose of serving people? How you serve your people? That is the best. I mean, that is the most important. It's not about you being in Congress, you do more, or you being in BJP doing more. I mean, do it more. But what is in your heart? How you want to serve your people? That is all. What I feel my personal is that serve the best you can for your people, wherever you are, in whichever party you are. Agenda will be so many agendas after agendas. That is political issues where people will look at us, they will have something allegation against us, we will have something against others. That will, when the times come, will teach us everything, and then how do we reply about that also we will prepare nicely. So let the people will judge in 23. If they feel that, if they are satisfied with our answer for that allegation, then they'll be happy and then they'll vote us. If not, then they leave us. But I believe that whatever we talk, especially on the election time, it should be, how to say, fair and square, black and white, where people should be satisfied for the truth. So I believe that people will choose the truth to choose the candidate, I mean the member.